Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. How are you guys? My name is Mahmoud. I'm Arabic language tutor. I teach Quran and Arabic to native speakers. So if you'd like to have a lesson online with me, you can email me here at ustazmahmoud184@gmail.com. Today, inshallah, we're going to learn how to say in Arabic despite. How to say despite in Arabic language. And before we start our lesson, please guys don't forget to like this video and subscribe for the channel. And if you could share this video with your friends, I'll be really grateful for this because this really helps me a lot. Thank you. And let's see an example. Despite the danger, he appeared relaxed. Despite the danger, he appeared relaxed. We say in Arabic بدا هادئا على الرغم من الخطر. بدا هادئا على الرغم من الخطر. So بدا هادئا. بدا means appeared. He appeared. هادئا relaxed. على الرغم من, all of it together means despite. Okay, الخطر the danger. بدا هادئا على الرغم من الخطر. Again. بدا هادئا على الرغم من الخطر. So despite means على الرغم من. على الرغم من. And after it you add a noun, اسم. After it you add a noun. So please look at these sentences. Despite the bad weather, she insisted to leave. Despite the bad weather, she insisted to leave. So first we say أصرت على الانصراف. أصرت على الانصراف على الرغم من سوء الطقس. أصرت على الانصراف على الرغم من سوء الطقس. أصرت, she insisted to leave. على الانصراف. Okay. على الرغم despite, على الرغم من despite. Okay. سوء الطقس the bad weather. أصرت على الانصراف على الرغم من سوء الطقس. Okay. Despite his financial situation, he quit his job. Despite his financial situation, he quit his job. So first we say استقال من وظيفته. استقال من وظيفته على الرغم من وضعه المالي. استقال من وظيفته على الرغم من وضعه المالي. استقال, he quit. استقال من, he quit. وظيفته, his job. على الرغم من, despite وضعه المالي, his financial situation. وضعه المالي, his financial situation. Despite the hard studying, he didn't pass the exam. Despite the hard studying, he didn't pass the exam. So first we say لم يجتز الامتحان. لم يجتز الامتحان على الرغم من المذاكرة الشاقة. على الرغم من المذاكرة الشاقة. لم يجتز, he didn't pass the exam, الامتحان. على الرغم من despite المذاكرة studying الشاقة hard. لم يجتز الامتحان. لم يجتز الامتحان على الرغم من المذاكرة الشاقة. لم يجتز الامتحان على الرغم من المذاكرة الشاقة. So despite means على الرغم من, and after it you add اسم, you add a noun. I hope this lesson is useful for you, inshallah. If you have any question, please write in the comment and I will reply to you. Don't forget to make dua for me and for my family. Thank you, and I see you in other lessons, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.